and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to be creating these really easy gelx apres nails. I'm going to be doing a French design and showing you guys how to apply chunky glitters. And yeah, these are coffin apres dupe nails. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video because I will be revealing the 1K giveaway winners. So first off, with anything you do to your nails, you want to make sure that you're prepping them. So this bit I got off of Amazon, and it is a little cuticle bit, and it just goes in there and gets off all the cuticle that is stuck on your nail plate and pushes back your cuticles nicely. This is super important to do to prevent lifting. If you don't do this, you usually will get lifting. So if you want your nails to last and last a long time, you want to make sure you do this step. I am doing this on a low to medium speed, and I'm just brushing over the nails, not putting any pressure at all. I like to go around the nails from right to left on forward, flip the drill to reverse, and then go from left to right. This way I really ensure that I am getting all the excess cuticle off the nail plate and pushing back as well to prepare for the apres gelx nails. The nails that I got are from AliExpress. They are the apres gelx dupe nails. They work great. They're a coffin shape in an extra large length. I really love them. They worked out really great. And yeah, so this is how you would prep your nails. I'm going to be doing this to all the nails. Then I clean off my nails with rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, really well with a manicure brush. And then I'm going to go in, that will dehydrate the nail. And then after that, I will go in with a primer. So here, you guys, I'm using a small ball bit. This basically acts instead of nippers. If you don't want to nip that dead skin, that white skin, only nip the white skin around your cuticles. You can use this ball bit, also off of Amazon. And here I'm going at a bit of a higher speed, a low to medium, but more on the medium side. And I'm just going around the nails, and I'm also using this to buff off any calluses on the sides of the nails, get any hangnails. It's a really good tool. So I'm going to be doing this to all the nails in preparation for our apres gelx dupe set. Alright, you guys, so I cleansed my nails with rubbing alcohol to dehydrate. And now I'm going in with a primer. The one that I like the best is not the one I'm using here. The one I like the best is Light Elegance Tack. You can get it from Skyline Beauty. It is cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. So you want to apply a small layer of that, cure it in your lamp for 30 seconds. Then I'm going in with this IBD base gel, applying it onto my natural nails for 30 seconds. And then after I do that, I will be ready to apply these gelx nails. Now, I did rub the back of these nails with acetone. That is a hack if you don't want to put primer or etch the inside of them. The acetone kind of melts the gel a little bit, so the adherence is really good onto your nail. So yeah, I did cure my hands in the lamp for 30 seconds with the base gel. And then I'm going to show you guys how I apply these onto the nail. I kind of eyeball it, the amount of gel that I need, but I fill out just the tip of the nail with a glob of gel from side to side of the nail. And then you guys can see how I am pressing down, starting at a 45-degree angle and slowly pressing down, and you'll be able to see that gel move. And then you want to press it down until it gets to the tip of your nail. And then I just slightly go underneath my lamp here, you guys can see, just to flash cure that into place. And then once all of these are on the nails, I will go in and cure them for a full 60 seconds. Yeah, I think it is easier to use a thicker base gel or a poly gel for this application just make sure and if you don't apply enough, you can take off the nail, apply a little bit more gel right on that bottom area, a little glob there. And then again, press down at a 45-degree angle until you reach the tip. And then you can flash cure it in your lamp. So to cure everything, you guys, I am using this new lamp that I got from Amazon. It is a cordless, rechargeable nail lamp, and I highly, highly recommend it. It works awesome. It's super sleek and beautiful, and it helps so, so much. So what I'm doing here is I'm applying a layer of base gel all over the nails. This is after I already cured them and they were set in place. I like to go in with a layer of base gel before I put on my actual gel products. The gels that I will be using today are in a set that I got from Amazon. The reason why I got them wasn't for the gel polish, but was for the bling gel. The bling gel has held up amazing. So if you guys are looking for bling gel, I highly recommend getting this one. I will link it down below. Here I am doing a blooming effect. I go into that wet base gel. If you do not have blooming gel, I do. I just couldn't find it. So I went in with the wet base gel uncured. Then I went in with the liner brush and I used this white gel polish from Beetles, painted random lines. I waited for the blooming effect to happen. And yeah, then I cured that in place. And then I'm going in with this beautiful peachy nude color all over the nails, and I will do 2 coats of that. So here I'm applying this peachy color to the nails that we did the blooming gel on, and I was struggling to do an ombre. If any of you guys have any tips and tricks how you guys like to do ombre with gel polish, please let me know. I ended up using an old brush, rubbing it in rubbing alcohol and then just kind of tapping it, and that worked pretty well. Here I'm going in with the French design, this liner brush I got from AliExpress, and I'm doing this on the middle finger. So now I'm applying this beautiful silver color that also came in the Beetles gel polish kit with the rhinestone gel. It's a beautiful silver, fine, kind of like flakies. So I applied that over the pinky nail. I give that a cure, and then I will be right back. Now I'm applying with this old brush that I have. I'm picking up some of this beautiful silver medium-sized glitters just to go around the fringe. I thought it was super, super elegant and pretty, and I really, really enjoyed that. So now I'm going over with base gel on these nails because I want to apply this beautiful matte pink and shiny gold glitter that I have, and also I want to be able to buff over this French nail just to make sure that all of the glitters are lying flat. So I'm going to be doing that to all of the nails here. And I didn't manage to get the top coat in, you guys. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I top coated all of these nails. I went over with another layer of base gel just to encapsulate this chunky glitter. Then I top coated these nails. And yeah, they came out super, super cute, super elegant. I absolutely love these. Again, these are Apres Gelx dupes from AliExpress. Here I will insert the final clips, and you guys, I will insert the giveaway winners in the description box. So make sure to check that and contact me on my Instagram. I will leave all the information down below Thank you so much, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this nail set, and I will catch you in the next one.